Hey guys, and welcome back to Tradingfyive, the channel which provides you informative videos, informative content on stock market as well as technical analysis. So our today's video is on how to trade using price action, wherein we will learn what is price action, what significance does it plays in the market, how important is price action when it comes to technical analysis, and lastly we're gonna see how is trading done using price action. So make sure you stick to the video till the end. And one more thing, if you have not yet watched my previous video on candlesticks, I highly recommend you to watch it after this video. So let us start with what is price action. So price action is a method to analyze the movement of a stock through the action which is made by its price. So it's that simple. You just analyze the movement of a stock by tracking the action which is made by its price. That means you track open, close, high and low points which are made by the stock and try to figure out some pattern in the stock through which you can find good entry levels and exit levels in the stock and make a good trade out of it. So that's price action. And you must have heard that price discounts everything. That means everything that happens in the market, every event that occurs in the market, the price starts reacting to that event before it occurs. And that's why price plays an important role in technical analysis. I don't know if you have heard about this, but there is a saying in Gujarati, which is a Indian cultured language, that Bhav Bhagwan Che, which means price is supreme, price is God, because everything in the market is derived out from price, is taken out from price. So if you just track the price, you get to know everything that is occurring in the market, right from the news, events, which are going to occur in the market. And so tracking price has its significance in technical analysis. And if you just track the price via price action, you get to know about the demand and supply. Like you see, if there is a high demand in the market, heavy buying is going in a stock or in the market, the price will show it on the chart by showing some upward moves. And if there is selling pressure in the market, heavy selling is going on in the market or in any stock, you see that the price of the stock automatically starts to move downward. That means the price reacts to the selling pressure, it discounts the selling pressure. So if you analyze the action of the price in a proper way, you can even get to know the demand and supply in the market. And that's a huge factor to know while trading in the stock market. And not only demand and supply, you can track different frames of the market like the momentum, volatility in the market by price action. And like I said before, you get to know about the upcoming event in the stock before the event is announced through price action. And so you don't need to track any news for getting the trades in stock market. You just need price action and technical analysis to figure out a good move in the market and make good returns through it. And one more thing, if you are analyzing on long time frame, one more benefit of price action is that you can predict the bull run or crash which is going to occur in the market or in any stock. Yes, and this counts in a little bit advanced price action. And if you're passionate about stock market, about technical analysis, you can achieve it too. So moving forward, let us see how trades are done using price action. You see, when we are analyzing the price, what we are doing is just tracking the high, open, low and close points which are made by the price and trying to figure out the patterns which is formed in the candles, which are called as candlestick patterns. Yeah, and there are different types of candlestick pattern like single candlestick pattern, two candles pattern, three candles pattern, which we shall learn in my upcoming videos. And by forming such patterns using candles, we can predict the movement that the price will make. Also, we tend to analyze the patterns which are made by the chart, which is called as chart patterns, which helps us predict continuation or reversal in the market. And all these patterns are backed by basic tools like either support and resistance, trend line, trend channel, or either using all of them collectively. For instance, if I say this is a rectangle pattern which is formed using support and resistance, and that's a ascending triangle pattern which is formed using support and a trend line in uptrend. And one more, if you see, this is a double top pattern which is used to predict the bullish reversal in a stock. And if you see, it is basically formed using a support and a resistance. So that's how we use these basic tools collectively on the price and track the action of price. So this is what price action is. Tracking the price using various tools and figuring out good trades in the stock. So that's how the trades are made, by using price action, technical analysis, not by just following any news or tracking any event in the market or taking trades on the basis of tips. This doesn't work in the stock market. Your research and your analysis in the market can only give you good returns And that's what we teach on our channel about technical analysis on stock market. And one more thing I got to say that if I get a positive response on this video, I will surely make a series of video on price action, wherein you can learn about candlestick pattern, chart patterns, how to use them, how to take the trades, where to take the trades, where to place a stop loss, how to book profits, and every such stuff on my channel. So to not miss such many contents on technical analysis as well as stock market, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell. So thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Share this video as much as possible so that others can also get this valuable information. I will catch you up in the next video.